In this video, I'm going to show you how you can 5x your Shopify and Facebook advertising results in just 5 minutes. Let's do this. How's it going? My name is Dylan Pearson. I'm the founder of Pondir.com. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how I've 5x'd personal results and results for clients using one piece of data that takes about 5 minutes to actually analyze and implement. Without further ado, let's start this breakdown. If you find this breakdown valuable whatsoever, I really would appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe if you are new, if you want weekly videos on e-commerce and advertising. This is how to 5x your results in 5 minutes. And this is not an exaggeration, and you're going to see that right here in this video. You're going to learn how to break down a key piece of data to improve your results in a way that you probably have never seen before. So what I'm going to be doing here is actually using sample data from one of my ad accounts. Please replace my data with your data in order to accurately assess where you're at and how you can improve to 5x, 10x, 20x your results. So for this example, we're going to start out by laying out our ad spend. We're going to say we spent $100 on ads. Next, we need our CPM, which is the cost that Facebook charges us to show our ads 1,000 times. It's the cost per 1,000 impressions. In this example, let's use $10. If I spent $100, my CPM was 10, that would mean the amount of impressions I had was 10,000 impressions. Next, look at your link click-through rate. Do not make the mistake of looking at your CTR. Make sure it says link CTR. The difference is click-through rate counts anyone that's ever clicked like, clicked comment, clicked play. Anyone that's clicked on your ad gets factored into the CTR. You want the link CTR, which means the amount of people that actually click the link to visit your website. In this example, let's say it was a 1% link click-through rate. If we had a 1% link click-through rate, that would mean 100 people visited our website. Next, go ahead and go to your Shopify analytics and grab your conversion rate. For this example, I'm going to abbreviate conversion rate with CR and say we had a 1% conversion rate. So what does this mean? This means we had one sale, and let's say that our sale was $100. A little bit of a higher priced item, which I'm always recommending to the students in full-time ecom. So we had one sale with this setup right here. So let me ask you a question. Right now, do you notice anything specific about how we can 5x our results with not too much work involved? Out of all of this data, do you recognize the one piece of the data that we have full control over? If not, well, let's break that down right here. So this is how to 5x the results that you see on this side right now. So once again, let's keep all these numbers consistent. $100 in ad spend, because we don't want to spend more to generate 5 times more results. We just want it to happen. So $100 in ad spend. Our CPM doesn't get lowered. It's still $10. We still have 10,000 impressions. And I highly recommend doing this with your own numbers in real time. You can pause this video and follow along. So 10,000 impressions. And those are the controls that Facebook has, right? Because we can't manually modify our CPM. We can control our ad spend, but CPM is in Facebook's control, and it's going to result in 10,000 impressions if we spend $100. So now we get into the part where we can actually 5x these results. Here's what I want to ask you. Let's work backwards. So sales, if we were to 5x these results here, this would be 5 sales and $500 in revenue. So now we need to look at this last pieces of data to figure out how can we 5x, how can we go from 1 sale to 5, still maintaining $100 in ad spend? You have to use your link click-through rate. And let me show you how this works. And I'm going to explain how you can actually make this change. But first, I want to show you how the data works. So let's say we improve our link click-through rate to 5%. This is going to result in 500 users. If we don't do any work on our website and we still just maintain that lower 1% conversion rate, it is going to result in $500 in revenue and a 5x improvement. Literally by one metric. By improving our 1% click-through rate to the 5%, we 5x'd our revenue. So how do you actually go ahead and 5x your link click-through rate? It's not that difficult. And let me break down exactly how to do that right now. So to 5x your link CTR, here's what you need to do. First, you need to improve your creative. 100% the most important aspect is to improve your creative. So how do you improve your creative? You split test. You split test the video or the image. You split test your copy, your headlines. You split test your thumbnails. And you continue to do this process. I can launch a split test in about 3 to 4 minutes now on Facebook ads. It's actually very easy to split test creatives. And what I usually see is I can take a 1% click-through rate up to about a 3 with 5 to 10 minutes of work building out the split testing campaigns. I then take that 3% to a 5%. And now that 1% that was driving $100 in revenue off of one sale is now generating $500 off 5 sales. It's truly as simple as that. By improving your link click-through rate from 1% to 5% and maintaining a 1% conversion rate, which isn't that difficult, you can 5x your results. Focus on link click-through rate, improving your creative, getting people over to your website, and you're going to see a tremendous improvement in your results. Once again, if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want weekly content just like this. Stay on the lookout. I have a bunch of great content on the way. You guys have no idea how hard I've been working to prepare some phenomenal content for you. If you are interested in learning more about my premier mentorship in advertising e-commerce program, full-time e-com, it is currently on pause as of the day that I recorded this video. But the reason I put it on pause and no one new can join right now is because I have the ultimate 2.0 version in the works. This 2.0 version is going to break down how in the past 6 months I launched a business from $0 and scaled it to $2 million in 6 months. It's now pushing upwards of $1 million per month, and I break down all of the strategies in 2.0. If you want to get on the wait list and get notified in case you are interested, there's a link down in the description for you to check that out. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Dylan out. Hey, thank you for watching that video. If you want to see one of my past videos, go ahead and click up there. If you would prefer to see a random video suggested to you by YouTube, go ahead and click the bottom one. I'll see you in the next video.